Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to send emails to customers directly from Shopify quickly and easily. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click on Customers to see your full list of customers. Select the customer you want to contact by clicking on their name. This opens their profile where you'll find their email address. Click the email address to open the email composition window within Shopify. Start by writing a clear and engaging subject line. Then type your message in the text area, personalizing it for the customer. Include a friendly greeting and make sure the content is relevant, whether it's a product update, special offer, or a simple check-in. Before sending, click Review Email to double-check for typos and ensure the tone matches your brand. Once everything looks good, click Send Email. And that's it. Your email is on its way, helping you stay connected and maintain strong relationships with your customers.